Howdy everybody, welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. I just wanted to give everybody a quick reminder that with season change coming up and winter around the corner, that everybody try to make sure that they have extra heating and cooking necessities, whether it be a wood stove or propane heat. Just make sure we keep those extra things on hand. Myself, I'm down here in Florida, so we make sure we got a couple extra blankets. We keep an extra cylinder of propane around for some heat. I just wanted to give everybody a quick heads up. Check your stocks, check your preps, in case you have to go without power. I know a lot of people, there's blackouts and stuff during the winter time because of various reasons. So make sure everybody's got all the things that they need. Extra propane, some wood, whatever it may be. Extra blankets, just in case. Gotta stay warm. I hope this video was informative. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe for some more outdoors.